Welcome to our third presentation on Surds, and today we are going to talk about simplifying Surds. In the previous presentation, we talked of the types of Surds, whereby we had the simple Surds and the mixed Surds. And on the left hand side, we have the simple Surds, whereby we said simple Surds are in the form of the square root of any positive number which is not a square number. And we have examples in here. We have these ones as examples of simple Surds and many others of the same category. Then on the right hand side, we have the mixed Surds, whereby we said any mixed Surd is in the form of the a square root b, or a multiplied by the square root of b, whereby a and b are real numbers and b must be a positive real number. We have the examples. We have this. We have 7 root 3, 2 root 3, 11 root 23, 6 root 7, 4 root 3, and 4 root 7, and so many others of the same category. Then in the middle here, we can see we have the square numbers. Why are they here? It is very important that when you're talking of Surds, we have to be aware and we should know the square numbers. For example, square numbers are got by squaring the real numbers or the integers. In Surds, we are talking of the positive real numbers. For example, we have the 1 squared giving us 1, 2 squared giving us the 4, 3 squared giving us the 9, 4 squared giving us the 16, 5 squared giving us 25, 6 squared giving us 36, 7 squared giving us 49, 8 squared giving us 64, 9 squared giving us 81, 10 squared giving us 100, then 11 squared giving us 121. It continues like that. So that is how we can generate the square numbers. So all these ones are square numbers. And since we are talking of Surds, for us to simplify Surds easily, one should be aware of these square numbers. Why? Because when we have a square root of any square number, let's say we have the square root of 4, this is the same as having the square root of the 2 squared, whereby this square root cancels with this 2, and at the end we shall have a 2, which is not a Surd and it's not an irrational number. In other words, it is rational. 2 is a rational number. That's why you can't say that the square root of 4, that this is a Surd. Why? Because it gives us a rational number, which is 2. Likewise to other square numbers, we can have one more. For example, if we take the square root of 49, this could give us the square root 7 multiplied by 7, and it's the same as having the square root 7 squared, whereby this square root goes with this 2 and we shall remain with 7, and of which 7 is a rational number and therefore not a Surd. So we are going to simplify Surds by interchanging, or we can say we may change the mixed Surds to simple Surds, and also from simple Surds to mixed Surds. That's what we are going to talk of in this presentation. And please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Like and share, and watch other videos on other topics. The links are dropped there in the comment section. Let's have examples. You can have number 1. So the question is simplify the following Surds into mixed Surds. So we can have A. We have square root 72. Let's see how do we break down this. So this is the same as having the square root 72, the same as having 72 power a half. Remember, we say that when you have a square root of a, this is the same as a power a half from the rules of indices. So when we have the square root of 72, it's the same as having 72 power a half. And in here we look for some factors. 2 numbers when multiplied can give us 72. So we can see that we have the 36, and then when multiplied by 2 we get back 72, but the whole of this is power a half. So this is the same as having 36 power a half multiplied by 2 power a half. 36 is the same as 6 squared, but it's having power a half multiplied by 2 power a half. See rules of indices. This is the same as having 6 power 2 multiplied by a half, multiplied by the 2 power a half. So we see that when we multiply 2 by a half, we are getting 6 power 1. It's same as 6 multiplied by 2 power half. So this is the same as having 6, and then 2 power half same as having the square root of 2. Therefore, root of 72 is the same as 6 root 2 as a mixed side. We can have part B, the square root 125. So this is the same as having the square root of, so we look for some two factors, one of which may be a square number. So in here we can see that there is a 5. So we are having 5 multiplied by. So to check and get to know which one we are to multiply by to get back at the 125, simply we are going to get the 125 divided by 5. And here we are having 25. This is the same as having the square root 5 multiplied by the square root 25. But we see that 25 is a square number. So this is the same as having the square root 25. If I begin with it, multiplied by the square root 5. So 25 is a square number whereby its square root is 5. So we have 5 multiplied by, we can't get the square root of 5. So it remains square root of 5. So this becomes 5 square root 5. Therefore, the square root of 125 is the same as 5 root 5 as a mixed side. We can have part C. Still, we have to change this to mixed side. So we have 8a squared. This is the same as having the square root 8 multiplied by the square root a but squared. This is the same as, so sum two factors. So we have 4 multiplied by 2, but the whole of it is under square root multiplied by the square root of a squared. This is the same as, so we can distribute the square root, same as having the square root 4 multiplied by square root 2 times the square root of a squared is same as having a. And here we have to be keen, don't make this a to enter here. So this is the same as the square root of 4. Since 4 is a square number, therefore its square root is 2. Square root 2 multiplied by a. As we simplify further, this is the same as having the 2a square root. Therefore the square root of 8a squared is the same as having 2a square root 2. So this becomes our response. Then we can have part D, the square root of 75 x squared y power 4. So the square root of 75 x squared y power 4 the same as having the square root 75 multiplied by the square root of x squared multiplied by the square root of y power 4. This is the same as having, so we can see that this 75, it has some factors. For example, it has 15 and 5, and of which none of them is a square number. Therefore, we are not going to, no, we can simplify it further. But when we look at this, the square root of x squared, the same as having x, multiplied by the square root of y power 4, the same as having y squared, multiplied by the square root of 75. So this is the same as having x y squared square root 75. Therefore, the square root of having 75 x squared power y power 4 is the same as having the xy by squared times the square root of 75. We can have part E, the square root of 200. This is the same as when we look for the two factors, we have the 100 and then the 2. So this is the same as having the square root of 100 multiplied by the square root of 2. This is the same as square root of 100 is 10 multiplied by the square root of 2 remains that because it is an irrational number. So this is the same as having 10 multiplied by the square root of 2. Therefore, the square root of the 200 is the same as 10 multiplied by the square root 2. We can have the last example on that number 1. F, we have the square root of 8 divided by 49. So this is the same as having 4 multiplied by 2, but we have the square root divided by the same as 7 multiplied by 7. So we can distribute the square root. It implies that we have the square root of 4 multiplied by 2 divided by the square root 7 squared. This is the same as having the square root 4 multiplied by the square root 2 divided by 7. So the square root of 4 is 2 multiplied by the square root of 2 divided by 7. Can conclude therefore the square root of 8 divided by 49 is same as having 2 out of 7 multiplied by square root 2. Let's now have number 2. Number 2, we have to write the following surds as an entire surds. So now we are going to change the mixed surds, take it back to simple surds, such that the whole real number is under the square root. We can have part A. Let's begin by having this. So this is the same as, remember this 2 now to get out, it was 4 under square root. So when you are simplifying this, we are going to do like this. This is the same as having, we are going to get the 2, we square it and put a square root. Multiply by the square root of 3. By doing this, we have not changed any meaning. Why? Because if we are to cancel this and this, so we have not changed any meaning, because when we simplify this, it will take us back to a real number 2. As we proceed, this is the same as having the square root of 4 multiplied by the square root of 3. Since both real numbers having a square root, we can put them under one root by having the square root of 4 multiplied by 3. This is the same as having the square root of 4 multiplied by 3, we are getting 12. Therefore, having 2 square root 3 as a mixed surd is the same as having the square root of 12 as a simple surd. Let's also have part B. We are having 6 square root 7. So in the same way, this is the same as having the square root of 6 squared multiplied by the square root of 7. Let's deal with the one inside the square root. 6 squared is same as 36, but under square root multiplied by square root of 7. Since both two real numbers having square root, we can put them under one root by having the square root of 36 multiplied by 7. So when we multiply 36 by 7, we are getting the square root of 252. Therefore, 6 square root 7, the same as having a square root of 252. We can have part C, 7x square root 7y. So this is the same as having 7x, but the whole of it squared and under the square root, multiplied by the square root of 7y. Same as having 49x squared, but the whole of it under square root, multiplied by the square root of 7y. So since that all are having the square root, we can put them under one root. So we have the square root, x squared y, then we have 49 multiplied by 7. This is the same as having the square root of x squared y, then as we multiply 49 by 7, we are getting the 343. Let's begin with the values. So this is the same as the square root of 343 x squared y. Therefore, 7x multiplied by square root of 7y, the same as having the square root of 343 x squared y as a single root or as entire surd. So you can try out with this. Change the following into mixed surds. You have part A, square root of 27. Part B, the square root of 128. Part C, you have the square root of 1728. Then part D can have the square root of 80x squared. So this is number 1. Then number 2, we have to change the following surds into simple surds. You can have part A, you have 36, the square root 7. Part B, you have 7 square root 27. Part C, we have 24 square root 26. And last the part D, we have x squared square root 29. Please work out these numbers and drop the answers or the responses in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next presentation.